Nice haircut, Doug.
Te ves, pero bella. Oye, mami. Sí, tú. Te estoy hablando a ti. Te ves, pero bella. Estoy hablando a ti. Te ves, pero bella. ¿Tú crees que tú y yo podemos bailar un poquito aquí? Sí, tú. Estoy viendo. Parece que puedes tirar unos pasos ahí. Y tú y yo posiblemente.
Bulldogs are they're quite lazy. Very lazy. There's a tennis ball over there. Chuck's, he's not fetching it. I've got to fetch it. Okay. I think we've got a picnic basket. Let's start planning and getting ready for this picnic. Coffee. We're ready to go. Okay. On the way to the picnic. Check.
China have a unique solution for zebra crossing. What did you little maniacs like to do first?
What film was that from? Comment below. Even though nobody's watching, but if you're watching, comment below.
She's alive! Alive!
What would you little maniacs like to do first?
It's all.
Okay, we're here, Tianmashan. The Chuck to the Tianmashan park, and they said, no dog. What did they say? So now we're looking for an area next to Tianmashan Park, which maybe we can give Chuck a walk, because Chuck is desperate. He's very excited for a walk. Aren't you, Chuck? Very, very excited. Not so excited to be in his cage. How can they not love Chuck? We've been to 2 parks and both of them say no dog.
No dog.
Chuck's got to stay in his cage. Nobody in China loves him. How can you not love Chuck? Mission Chuck. The whole dog thing in parks is crazy. And the weird thing is, if you're in England you won't believe me, Chinese people love dogs. Not the part of China where there's a few Korean people who live in China who like to eat dogs. They really love eating dogs, but Shanghai, people love dogs. But they just don't associate putting a dog in a park for a walk. No dog. No dog. Niet sabaka. Or ni sabaka or niet sabaka?
Собакам вход воспрещен.
That hasn't helped. Go and see if this park allows Chuck in. No dog. Strange looking dog. Parks are so beautiful in China as well. So beautiful. But no dogs. Well, what? Okay. We're on our way to dog park back into Shanghai city centre. With a skate park as well built in, which is really cool. Chuck's happy. Everybody loves Chuck in this place. Chuck, China loves you. Now we're heading home.